Scorpio! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. If this reading is not for you, leave it for a friend. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong moon and rising placements. Kasi minsan, mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kasi inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Scorpio. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the messages for you. Okay, for some of you will be traveling abroad. Okay, and you are looking forward to it. This is something that will make you feel good. Okay. So right now, meron kayo mga choices or options. Siguro nag-iisip kayo ng mga gagawin pa. Mga steps, okay, mga bibilhin to prepare yourself for a travel. Okay. You have to be careful of your decisions, okay? Scorpio, you are driven by ambition. Whatever this is, yung travel na to, a seminar, a tour, a business travel, it will happen. And this is something that will give you an opportunity to advance, okay? To advance yourself in career, sa trabaho man, and financially. Some of you, matataas yung rango sa trabaho, okay? Powerful person. Some of you may be a worker or a politician, okay? A worker or someone who works in a government that can do everything in his own power, can decide, okay? A decision maker and making things happen or possible. You have to be careful with the decisions na mga gagawin ninyo. May mga panibagong kontrata, okay, documents na pipirmahan, bagong sales, okay, incentives, commissions, okay, rewards na matatanggap ninyo. Some of you will be receiving a gift. Malaking money ang nakaabang sa inyo or paparating na matatanggap mo, Scorpio. Okay, this is good luck. Good money will come to you. You are very ambitious, okay? Ambitious, and at the same time, yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong sa inyo or toxic, no? Kasama na doon yung toxic people, toxic situations, okay? Na hindi na nakakasatisfy sa'yo or that you're no longer interested. You're not interested with it anymore. You are moving forward, okay? For some of you, temporarily aalis or merong pupuntahan, okay? To get something better, something fulfilling emotionally, or to go to a place na ikakasaya ninyo, okay? Na magbibigay sa inyo ng something, no? Like achievements. For some of you, merong renewal of love relationship, okay? Someone is going for a permanent or serious relationship. Some of you will be getting married. Yeah. Okay, you feel happy, Scorpio, and contented, satisfied. For some of you, magandahin yung marriage life. Okay? For some of you, will go to a company, okay, or a organization, a group of people na same yung mga mindset, okay, mga like-minded people. Okay? Maybe you need their company. You need some advice from them. Okay? Yeah. You are going through some changes in your life, Scorpio. Some of you are very protective. Meron kayong mga pinaglalaban. May mga parating sa inyo na abundance and prosperity and you're looking forward to it. Marami kayong mga plano. Maraming planong puntahan, bilhin. Okay? Maybe you're looking forward for a vacation. Because kailangan mo ng pahinga. Okay? Some of you may mga questions. Okay? Parang naguguluhan or maraming nangingialam. Okay? And you need some time alone. So, minsan may mga katanungan kayo sa sarili. Makukuha mo lang yung mga sagot na yon kung nakapagpahinga ka na, you are listening to your intuition. You can get answers by meditation. Maraming taong kailangan ng inyong attention and you need some space for yourself. Okay. For some of you, you need to overcome sadness and disappointments. Okay? Minsan yung iba nawawala ng pag-asa kung ano yung gagawin, nag-iisip or nag-aalala. Feeling hopeless na sa isang sitwasyon. But you know there is always a way. May mga solusyon sa mga bagay-bagay. Some of you needs to go to someone na makapagbigay sa inyo ng advice. Okay? Kung may mga problema ka man, may mga tao sa paligid ninyo na mababait that could give you help, support. Okay? Some of you needs freedom or independence. Okay? Nag-iisip kayo ng mga paraan on how you can get out from a situation na medyo mahirap. Okay? You will have to take the risk. Okay? Believe in yourself that you can do it. You are a very independent person. Scorpio. Okay? Anumang mga problema, difficulties, okay? Or gulo na nangyayari sa life nyo, ikaw yung someone na very flexible, matapang, at kakayanin mo ang lahat para ma-overcome ang mga problema na yon. Okay? You are self-reliant. Okay? May bagong panimula na mangyayari sa inyo. New beginning, new happiness. People will support you. Maraming taong nagmamahal sa inyo. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga opportunities or ano pa yung mga mensahe para sa inyo. Message please for Scorpio. Additional message. First, pay attention to your finances, okay? For some of you have concerns about spending habits, okay, your spending habit. Siguro marami kayong pinagkagastusan. Beware, pay attention sa mga lumalabas or mga nilalabas ninyong money, okay, sa mga bibilhin. Skull, hidden secrets can harm you. Okay? There are situations na ikaw lang ang nakakaalam. Sometimes they are good, sometimes they will harm you. Sometimes malalagay kayo niyan sa alanganin. But as long as you know what you're doing, wala kayong naapakang tao, I think a secret is not a problem. Okay? Elephant. A long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Okay? So, some of you, kailangan ng bakasyon. Okay? Kailangan ng pahinga. Maybe you've been too very busy. Ang dami yung iniisip. Ang dami yung obligasyon. Ang dami yung mga kailangan gawin sa trabaho, sa pamilya, pag-aasikaso. For some of you, may mga anak. Okay? Mga pangangailangan ng anak, ng asawa, all of that. And you just need a vacation or pahinga. Okay? Me time, kumbaga. Crown. Honor and respect will come to you. Okay? Some of you, tinitingala, okay, nire-respeto kayo. For some of you, may mga tauhan na nire-respeto ang inyong leadership. Bell. Announcement. Okay, whatever announcement, maybe marriage, merong, some of you are pregnant, okay, or manganganak na. Bell, announcement na may mapropromote, okay. Barrel. You feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps love, money, or goals. Yeah. Sometimes you feel incomplete. Okay? Parang may kulang. Despite sa mga success na natatanggap ninyo, parang may kulang kayong hinahanap or may kulang sa buhay ninyo na hinahanap ninyo. Pero sometimes hindi mo matukoy kung ano yun. At ano pa yung mga message sa inyo? You are someone that can make money easily. Okay. Nakakagawa kayo ng paraan para makapera. If you are noticing changes within yourself, it is because you are leaving the old version of yourself behind. You are elevating and shedding unnecessary layers. Old cycles are ending and new beginnings are on the horizon. You deserve this new chapter. Okay? So, mayroong bagong panimula sa inyo. You are leaving old situations. Okay? Kung hindi man situation, old mindset. Okay? So, ito lang yung message sa inyo, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye!